Welcome back to Better Living. I'm Stephanie Martinez in for Charity Freeman today. Well, first up, joining us today on Better Living, we have Randy Dixon with us. He's the president of the Toledo Bar Association and a very special guest. You got to hear a bit of my southern accent being from Nashville, but you have someone very special, and I'm going to let you introduce our guest with us today.
Stephanie, we have Eszter Fodor. She is a young legal professional from Hungary, the country of Hungary. The Toledo Bar Association, in conjunction with the University of Toledo College of Law, is sponsoring and exchanging there's 4 young professionals that are here for 3 weeks.
Right.
We actually have 2 professors that actually go and teach over in Budapest at her law school, Dean Dan Steinbach and Professor Ben Davis. So this is a unique opportunity for the Toledo Bar and the University of Toledo College of Law to cooperate.
I'd say a unique opportunity on both ends here. First off, welcome. We do appreciate you coming and joining us here. First, I have to ask, how is your stay going so far?
Oh, it's amazing. I really love all the programs, and it's an amazing possibility for us to be here.
I can only imagine. Well, I need to ask, or would like to know, what is the difference, or how much difference is there between practicing law there in Hungary and then, of course, being over here in the United States and practicing here?
We have quite much differences. The biggest difference is we have no jury in Hungary. Yeah, so we have just judges without any jury to decide, and we have a much formal proceedings there.
Now, I'm curious, is Eszter your first, I guess, job shadow individual that you've had on hand?
Well, we have job shadows often, but never from another country. This is the first time for us. So, and it's really unique. She actually followed one of my young associates, Craig Witherall, today to the Toledo Municipal Court, which, if anybody has been down to the Toledo Municipal Court in the mornings, it can be a little crowded and boisterous, and I think that's what Eszter was referring to this morning, was an eye-opener.
So a bit of difference there from what you would see back home.
Yes, I think we had less cases for a judge to handle, so I think it's not so crowded there, yeah.
Well, do you expect to, I guess, do this even more after Eszter leaves you?
Well, it is my understanding that this is a normal procedure, this exchange with the Budapest, the Budapest Law School. So I think it will happen again. I know I'm up for it. If anybody wants to job shadow in this manner again, it's been a delightful experience.
What are some of the courses, I guess, that you had to complete before you were able to, I guess, take what would be your bar exam over there?
I already took my bar exam in Hungary, but it's a little bit different from the US version because we have to practice 3 years after graduation and after we can start the bar exam.
Well, no, I'm a bit unfamiliar with our process here. How different is that for us?
Well, we don't have any type of internship that Eszter is describing here. We sit for the bar immediately after graduation. You pass the bar, you then are sworn in as a legal professional. She was at what they call a junior attorney or junior lawyer until she sat for the bar, and it's like an apprenticeship or something like that. And there's a lot of people that would say that that's something that we might learn from, and it might be advantageous to our system.
A learning experience on both ends there. Well, I have to ask, as much as I love the Glass City, a huge fan of Toledo, where else have you made a visit to?
We already been to Chicago.
The Windy City?
Yes. And we had weekend in Cleveland and visited the Niagara Falls.
Fantastic. Yeah. Now, were these just sightsee locations there, or were you going into courts there as well?
Just sightseeing.
Well, was that on the top of your list, some of the places to go and see? Did you ask as soon as you arrived, hey, you know, here's my list, let's go?
Yeah, we have a list, and we just... try to put everything that we can. We have just 3 weeks here,
right.
So it's a little bit short time.
Well, you're just going to have to come back and visit
Yeah.
again. Do you have any other locations, I guess, on your list of places to go before she leaves?
Well, she's actually just going to courts with us. We're going out to Fulton County tomorrow. She'll be in juvenile court here in Lucas County, and I think domestic relations here coming up too. So then they actually are going to Washington, D.C. from Toledo, and then a side trip to New York. At least that's what the plan is.
So not the full 3 weeks here in Toledo, the 3 weeks just here traveling around then?
Yeah, we have 3 weeks in Toledo and after 1 week in Washington, D.C. and New York.
I got you. Well, we are so happy that we were lucky enough to have you come and visit not only here on Better Living, but here in the city of Toledo. Hopefully you will make a visit back in the near future. Anything you'd like to say to us, or say to our viewers before you leave?
No, I just would like to say a big thank you for Randy and for the University of Toledo to organize us such an amazing possibility like this internship.
Well, thank you very much. I'm sure Randy feels very lucky to have you on board with him
Ditto.
for the time here. All right, well, stay with us here at Better Living. We do have a lot more in store for you when we come back.